what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Dro Kenji. Now if y'all don't know who Dro Kenji is, he blew up like probably 4 years ago now, and he was one of the internet money artists. And I think just like over time he kind of just started to fall off a little bit around the time that internet money just disappeared. But this whole time Dro Kenji's just been dropping fire music. So I looked up his name randomly because I heard one of his old songs he had with DC the Dawn, which, so what, that's a fire song, go check it out. But yeah, I ended up finding this song, which he just dropped a while ago, and since the recording of this preset he just dropped an EP. This song was right before the EP, and I think the song is like a beautiful song, so I was like, I'm just gonna make a preset on it. I don't know if this video is gonna do well, but it's a fire preset, so I thought I'd make it. But yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna play the song Dro Kenji, Freedom.
Foul, they gon' make a scene if I pop. I got money now, it don't make no sense, why would I stop trying? Nigga acting wild, hit that boy with a stop sign. Stay in line, talk it out and run away like last time. Freedom comes with a price, if that man not right, slide through. I remember when you lied, I just lied here, I just lied here. Oh, I'm not your daddy, but I'm everything you need. Took off a lot of drugs to help me finish out the season. Lost a lot of friends I probably never really needed. Might have stay on twirl, I'll probably never really be still.
So that was Freedom by Dro Kenji, and now I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals as always. So I'm gonna turn off all of these presets, and I'm gonna show you guys my worst part to show you what the preset does. I remember. Oh, I don't know if I can get through it. I might have to like turn my headphones down, bruh. This is bad.
Comes with a price of that man, not right, slide through. I remember when you lied, I just lie here, I just lie here. Oh, I'm not your daddy, but I'm everything you need.
Okay, yeah, we've heard enough. But with the presets, this is what it sounds like.
Foul, they gon' make a scene if I pop. I got money now, it don't make no sense, why would I stop trying? Brother acting wild, hit that boy up with a stop sign. Stay in line, tuck it out and run away like last time. Freedom comes with a price of that man, not right, slide through. I remember when you lied, I just lied here, I just lied here. Oh, I'm not your daddy, but I'm everything you need. Taking off a lot of drugs to help me finish off the season. Lost a lot of friends I probably never really needed. My head stay on 12, I probably never really be still. Won't put this cut down, I think I let it make me seasick. She won't let me go and I can't figure out the reason. I can't fall in love and I can't figure out the reason. I can't love you after what you did, cause that'd be treason. They gon' make a scene if I pop.
So yeah, that's what all of those presets sound like. All of these presets will be completely free, including this main preset, this delay adlib, this harmony preset, the freedom adlib for like the background vocals, and the panning harmony, and another Dro Kenji adlib. All of those will be completely free, and the reverb and delay. The only thing that isn't free is my master preset. For this song, I did use my Waves master preset, which is $10 on BNVLNT.shop. But if you guys want this whole FLP, which comes with what you're seeing on the screen, as well as a template that's easy to record in, and my Waves master along with the stock master, just in case you guys don't have Waves plugins, you guys could buy this FLP. That'll be the first link in the description. But if you guys just want the master preset, that'll be $10. And if you just want the free presets, you can find those in my Discord, which is the first link in the description. And then you just scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and then the Dro Kenji presets will be right here at the bottom. And then you can scroll through all these presets. There's hundreds of presets in here, so just mess around with those presets and make some good music. But yeah, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick before I end this video is my auto-tune settings. So this song is in the key of B minor. I used a retune speed of 8 and a humanize of 35 on the main, and I just used the same exact auto-tune settings on every single preset. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If it helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you guys want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.